very warm welcome to Must Know Topics. In this particular series, I'll be taking down various lecturate and GD topics which will be helpful in preparing for various competitive examinations, including Services Selection Board interviews. The topic that I'll be covering today will be Digital India, and this will be the 51st lecturate of the series. I'll be covering this particular topic in 5 subdivisions, that is introduction part, objectives, facilities, 9 pillars of Digital India, and reports. Coming to the introduction, while Digital India is a program to transform India into digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. It was launched on 1st July 2015, and it is also a type of beneficiary schemes of the Government of India such as Bharat Mala and Make in India. So this is 1st July 2015. Okay. Well, coming to the objectives of the Government of India, the major objectives are connecting rural areas with high-speed internet networks and improving the digital literacy. Apart from that, the Government of India has 3 visions, that is, it should be made essential as infrastructure, that is, infrastructure as utility to every citizen. This should also be available as an utility to every citizen. Governance and services on demand to promote e-governance. Apart from that, digital empowerment of the citizens. So these are the major objectives and vision of the government. Well, the facilities that will be provided under the Digital India program is high-speed internet to the rural background, and this is being provided at the railway stations with the help of Google. Apart from that, digital identity is also being provided like Aadhaar card. Mobile banking facilities like YONO by SBI, and every bank has their own mobile app which promotes mobile banking. DigiLocker facilities in which major documents like government IDs, driving license, PAN cards, Aadhaar card can be digitally verified and they can be uploaded, and this can also be shown when required. So this gives an ease to carry the paper documents. Apart from that, safe access to the cyber security space. If digital literacy is improved, then automatically people will have safe access to cyber security space. Then real-time access. This will only happen if everyone is connected to internet. Then citizens entitlement, ease of doing business. Ease of doing business will improve if everything takes control digitally. Then cashless transactions like Bheem UPI and many other UPIs of Paytm, then Phone Pay, Google Pay, all these are cashless transactions. And digital literacy, Indian languages, that means most of the people there are many languages in India, and digital literacy should be available in all forms of languages. Then digital platform should be available. Well, if we consider the 9 pillars of Digital India, that is broadband, highways, universal access to mobile connectivity, and this is being provided with the help of Google Android One deal. And apart from that, public internet access, e-governance, e-Kranti. E-Kranti is a scheme for online medical consultation and for farmers. Apart from that, global information with the help of internet, electronic manufacturing, IT training for job, and early harvest programs like biometrics, e-books. Well, if we consider the reports, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi once remarked that IT plus IT is equal to IT. Well, IT over here is India today, IT over here is information technology, and IT over here is India tomorrow. So India today plus information technology is equal to India tomorrow. Well, the Google CEO Mr. Sundar Pichai also mentioned that India is the fastest startup growing country. Moreover, Digital India Summit was held in the year 2019 in Delhi, and PM aim vision is for $5 trillion digital economy. Apart from that, there are various facilities which are being made available by the Google, that is Android One, then Chromebooks, Google Internet facilities at railway stations. So these are some of the major facilities, and these are about the Digital India program. So in case this video has been useful and you have liked this video, do hit the like button and do subscribe the channel for upcoming notifications. Thank you.